I did, sir.
But I know you did. But rest also na. We should also educate other people na. How many of you completed the project registration? Maybe we may have some kind of online hackathons will be coming in June. Maybe this is the right time because you are in the artificial intelligence. You have to register for hackathon and participate. Okay, it may be a one-day hackathon or two-day hackathons. Definitely, you are going to learn from your hands-on experience. Okay, I told that I will help you, but why you people why you are not registered for that? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
That means, okay, you are not interested to listen my voice. Thank you. We will go to class. Even though I said that to come on to video mode for 5 minutes, no one is interested. Okay, you are not listening the faculty words. I wanted to explain about a project and hackathons for 5 minutes. Still, you are not listening the faculty's voice, isn't it? Is it your behavior? I wanted to explain how to tackle the project for 5 minutes. Seer? Who is here?
Yes, sir.
Only yourself is here. What about other people? They are not coming. They are not interested to learn.
I don't know, sir.
Subject anyone can learn. Okay, but this subject artificial intelligence will give you a career. Like this, every 2 weeks we are going to get some hackathons. Maybe today I wanted to explain how to participate in hackathons and how to learn for 5 to 10 minutes. Did you apply for that hacker project, drug discovery project? Anyone? Anyone from A section? Can I get reply from you, or shall I start the class? Okay, anyway, you are not interested to learn the things. Okay, we will go to class itself. And that's it. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we are discussing about two components of knowledge base reagents. First component is we have in 2 to 3 minutes I will discuss about the two components. First one is knowledge base. Okay, here it has the information about domain specific knowledge. Okay, or domain specific information. Okay, by taking this domain specific information, this information inference engine will get the knowledge, or actually speaking, knowledge is not visible to the outside world. Okay, by using some sort of algorithms. Okay, in machine learning also we have some algorithms like supervised learning algorithms, unsupervised learning algorithms, and reinforcement algorithms. Maybe we are here, every inference engine, it has some sort of algorithms. By using some sort of algorithms, it is going to extract the knowledge from the domain specific content. Okay, by using that knowledge, the agent will take better actions. For the purpose, every knowledge base agent have two components. First one is knowledge base, second one is inference engine. Okay, I already discussed these 2 points. Inference engine will tell you how to derive new conclusions. Okay, that means actually speaking, the knowledge will not be visible to the outside world. By applying some sort of algorithms, we are going to extract the knowledge. Maybe from unit number 3 onwards, we are going to, when we start machine learning, and at that time we are going to practically see the things, okay, how to extract the knowledge. Okay, in this unit we are going to discuss about how to represent the knowledge. That's it. Now whatever the knowledge we are going to represent with the help of languages, okay, in the form of preposition logic, which always returns true or false. This is yesterday's topic. Okay, and we are going to derive new sentences. Here I cannot call it as sentences. In machine learning we will call it as insights. Insights, SIGHTS. We can also call them as knowledge. Please take running notes. Okay, these points will not come. Then wisdom. Some people call them as wisdom. Some people call it as insights. Sorry, insights is completed. Relationships among the data. Relationships. And some people are calling them as patterns. Okay, patterns. Whatever it may be. IBM is calling them as IBM. Its analytics, they are calling them as insights. And some other company calling them as patterns. Some other term calling them as wisdom. Okay, whatever it may be, by using inference engine, we are going to deduce new knowledge. Okay, that can be insights, it can be knowledge, it can be wisdom, it can be patterns. Okay, now let me yes, for that we have a basic generic knowledge based reagent algorithm. Yesterday I discussed that input is percept and output is action. Any algorithm, input is percept and output is actions. But in knowledge based reagent, apart from percept, we are also giving knowledge base. Okay, based on this knowledge base, it is going to perform better actions. We will see how it will do some better action. Now we will point out these 3 steps. Okay, we will start the discussion about what is tell, what is action, what is tell. Okay, this we will see within 2 minutes. Now input is percept and output is actions. And apart from the input and output, we are also giving knowledge base as input for the agent. Now it is going to perform 3 actions. Okay, now the first one is it tells knowledge base what it perceives. The first thing is this is, for example, if we call this as agent A, it is taking inputs from perception. This is perception from environment. Okay, from this also called as inputs. We will take agent will take input perception, and it is going to perform action through actuators. And we are going to give knowledge base KB, the input. Okay, here this is the first step. This is tells. It tells knowledge base what it perceives. Okay, whatever inputs it has taken, that inputs will be given to the knowledge base. Okay, this is first step. Second step is which asks the knowledge base what action has to perform. That we know that actuator has to perform actions. Now agent will not blindly perform actions. Agent is asking the knowledge base. Okay, based on the inputs, the algorithms will run here. In the knowledge base, some sort of algorithms will run here. Now that algorithms will take a decision, the better decisions. Okay, based on these decisions, it is going to perform some actions. Now second step is which ask knowledge base. The agent is asking the knowledge base what should it perform. Okay, what should the agent should perform. Okay, that means it is asking based on the inputs, it is going to run some algorithms, and it is going to get some inputs. Now third step is the agent records choice, and it will tell what actions it is going to perform based on this. Based on the inputs given by the knowledge base, the agent, by using its actuators, it is going to perform some action. Whenever you perform the action, there will be a state change. Now there will be a movement from one state to another state. This is about these 3 points. Now I will wait here for 1 minute. If you have any doubts, you please ask me. Then I'll continue the next slide. Any doubts in this slide?
No, sir.
if you are not responding to the faculty, there is no point of teaching. Okay, kindly remember this. You are hiding from me. Okay, you have to inform whether you have reached, whether the topic has been reached or not, either in the form of chat box or in the form of words.
Sir, please once repeat the third last point.
Yes, that's what I want. Please, is it visible? No, please, this slide. This slide. Let me explain. You want this one? Yes, let me.
Yes,
Yes. First point is clear. Inputs will be given to the agent is taking inputs. Second step is the inputs are given to the knowledge base. Okay, agent will give inputs to the knowledge base. What the knowledge base is, knowledge base will run some sort of algorithms. Just now, before coming here, I already discussed this point about here. Okay, I already discussed here. Inference engine. Knowledge base is nothing but inference engine. It is going to take the inputs from the agent and it is going to run some sort of algorithms, and it will guide you. Please understand my point. What the second step will do is, second step will get some knowledge from the knowledge base by having some sort of algorithms, and it will tell you how what would be the better action has to be performed by the agent. Now that will be, now agent is asking the knowledge base what would be the best action. Now knowledge base will tell how to perform and what action should be performed. Based on that, the agent will do better action using its actuators. So now is it okay? Based on the inputs which are given by the knowledge base, the agent, actually speaking, for example, agent has three actions, A1, A2, A3. Now the knowledge base will guide you what action to be performed. Is it A1, is it A2, or is it A3? It is based on the experience and knowledge from the knowledge base. Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Now it is nothing but inference engine. Okay, you please remember that knowledge base. It will run now. Maybe with next unit, I am going to discuss about what are the algorithms and how the inferences will be taken. Okay. Now, shall I go to, if you have this algorithm, it has three functions. Same thing, make percept sentence and make action and make action sentence. Same thing we will discuss then. Okay. Now, let me. Yes. What is the first step here? It tells the knowledge base what it perceives. Now, what it is doing? Let's please make percept sentence, which constructs a sentence asserting that agent perceived a given percept at a time. What this function is taking? Make percept sentence. Okay. Whatever the inputs which has taken from this algorithm, which is given to the make percept sentence. The same thing, whatever inputs it is getting, that inputs will be given to this function. Is it okay? Now, action query. Now, the agent is asking the knowledge base. How to prepare a query. Okay. Now, here we discuss this. Okay. Which asks the knowledge base what action should perform. So, it is by calling the function, make action query function, the agent is asking the knowledge base what action should be done at the current time. Are you getting me? Now, second function, make action query, which will go to the knowledge base and out of several actions, now it is going to return best action. That action will be executed by the agent within the make action sentence. Now, is it okay for these three? Same thing. Whatever I have discussed here, that I have discussed with functions. Still any confusion? Shall I go to algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at here for 2 minutes. Then you please, we will discuss it. Please observe this algorithm for 2 minutes. The T is nothing but time. Okay, at particular time, what action it is going to perform. If it is okay, then you got this make percept sentence. What inputs we are giving? These inputs are given to knowledge base. Then we are asking the knowledge base what actions to be performed. You may have, the agent may have n number of actions. Out of n number of action, what was the best action? This I am going to discuss with an example, with WOMS example. One artificial intelligence problem with this algorithm, I will discuss it. Now, we have several set of actions. Now, the knowledge base, out of several set of actions, it is going to identify best action, and that will be given to you. Okay, that action will be executed by the agent. Anyway, we will discuss same algorithm with a live example. Okay. Now, still any doubts? Initially, I have given each and every terminology which I used in the algorithm. Then I discussed about whatever functions which I have discussed in the function. Now, still any doubts?
No, sir.
The same thing algorithm we are going to discuss with example. WOMS example, WOMS world example. Okay. Yesterday I have sent that example to you in the form of WhatsApp, and I told you please note down that I'm going to use that for a discussion of today's example. Now, everyone be ready with pens and books, please. Please, everyone be ready with pens and books. Now, give me 1 minute to open that slide. First, I will explain 5 minutes about what is WOMS world example. Okay. First, let me give you the description about it. 5 minutes, I will discuss about the description about that algorithm. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
First, look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yes. Look at this. This is WOMS world. It nothing but it is a this is WOM. Okay. What here? Let me give you the WOMS world is a cave. Okay, consisting of rooms connected by passageways. Okay. It is every square. It is nothing but a room. Okay. You have to understand that it is a 4x4 board. Okay. Every board, this board you please consider it as a cave. Okay. And every square has a room. Okay, clear? The first statement. WOMS world is a cave consisting of rooms connected by passageways. Now I can move from one room to another room. Okay, then in a cave we have a womb. Okay, it is a beast. Okay, which eats anyone who enters into its room. For example, if you enter anyway into this room, this will eat us. Okay, are you getting me? Second statement is okay. Now it is a cave.
Yes, sir.
It is a cave. Through any way you can use it. Okay. Now all these are rooms. Now if you enter into this room, it will eat us. Okay. It is like a monster. Okay. Now third step is wombs can short by an agent. You can short that womb, but condition is you have only one arrow with you. Remember carefully. You have only one arrow. Using that arrow, you can short it. If not, it will eat you. Okay. This is about third statement. Third statement is if you want to short this womb, okay, you have one arrow. Okay, here you have an arrow. Using this arrow, you can shoot it. Okay, that means you have only one arrow. Okay, that's it. This is third statement. Some rooms contains bottomless pits. Please, some rooms are contained pits. If you enter into this pit, you are going to die. Okay, these are pits. Clear? It is okay for fourth statement. Now. You have to consider it is a static. Please remember carefully. These things will not change. Okay, all these are static. Okay, and it is a pit. It is a pit, and it is a pit. If you enter into a pit, you will be die. Okay, otherwise you are going to lose some points. This is about fourth statement. The only mitigating feature of living in this environment is possible finding the heap of the gold. Now, how can you live? Okay, this is a gold. Okay, if you get the gold, you will get some points. Okay, are you getting me? This is about next point. Last 2 points are, although WOMS world is rather tame by modern computer game standards, it makes excellent test-bed environment for intelligent agents. Okay, we are going to discuss about intelligent agent plus we are going to include knowledge base. Okay, So I'm going to call it as an example for knowledge-based environment. It was developed by Michael, this person. Okay. Now, yeah, I think is it okay for everyone? What is the problem definition? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to introduce slowly. What are these terminologies? Okay. Don't bluff. Okay. I told you that.
Beast
Hello.
move.
Yes, only monster I have introduced. Slowly I will introduce other things. Now we have 3 pits. Okay, it is a cave, it is a 4x4 board, and it is a static game. And we can enter at 1-1. Okay, please look at it is a 4x4. This place is called as 1-1. Okay, now we have only one agent. Listen carefully. We have only one agent. He can enter in this way and he can exit from this way only. He can enter into any room, but if you enter into this room, the monster will eat us. Okay, now you should not enter into this room. If you enter in this room, you will going to die. If you are entering into this room, you are going to die. If you are entering now, what is your aim is you have to get the gold from this room. Okay, and you have to get this room and you have to exit from here. The entry point is this one. Now, last rule is you have only one arrow. If you want to kill this beast, you have to use that arrow. Okay, now I will introduce these terminologies. Okay, now. First, whatever the environment, is it an environment? Will you agree? Is it an environment? Yes, because it is an environment. We have already discussed about 6 points. What is observable, deterministic, episodic, static, discrete, and single agent. Now, could you please answer for my questions? Is it observable? Can I observe the entire?
Partially observable.
Yes, it is partial observe. Now, if I start here, please understand my point. If I start from here, I can see only this room. I cannot see these rooms. I don't know what they are. Okay, this is so. I will call it as yes. Someone has answered that it is partially observable. Okay, it is not fully observable. Is it deterministic? Do I have a final destination in that room? It is deterministic.
Yes, sir.
I can get it. Okay, yes, it is deterministic. It is deterministic. Is it episodic? Episodic is nothing but is it one episode or do you continue the same game for n number of times? It is episodic. One episode only. Okay.
Episodic, sir.
It is episodic. Is it static?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is static.
Yes, sir.
Already I told you that it is static. That means no womb, the wombs will be there itself. Pit will be there itself. Pit will be there itself. Pit will be there itself. There is no movement. Okay. Then discrete. Is it discrete or not? Can I estimate or can I finalize that number of rooms, number of steps?
Yes, sir.
I can within 4 steps I can get it. For example, if I enter here, I can get it. It may have 3 or 4 steps. Within some n number of steps I can get it. Then is it single agent or multi-agent?
Single agent.
Yes. Yes. Look at here. Observability, only local perception, deterministic, yes. Episodic, no. No sequential at the level of action. Static, yes. Discrete, yes. And single agent, yes. Now, I wanted to give you the basic rules. We have studied about PEAS, P-E-A-S, in the first unit. What is PES? Whatever the game we are going to play, first we should discuss about the PEAS. What is the performance measure? If the agent gets the gold, he is going to get some points, 1000 points. Okay. If the agent dies, he is going to lose 1000 points. Okay. Now, -1 point will be lose for every step. Now, -10 points if we use arrows. Understood? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What point system we are going to use is if now environment. Now we will discuss about this environment for 2 minutes. Okay. Squares adjacent to wombs are smelly. Okay. Now look, observe here carefully. Whatever the yes. Now let me erase this for 2 minutes. Now, how can you observe, sir? You can ask one question, sir. If there is a womb here, wompus here, now we can get a smell here, stench. That means some bad smell will come here. Based on that, the agent will identify that I cannot go in this way. Okay, are you getting me? Stench is nothing but unpleasant smell. Okay, the smell will come here. The smell will come here, and the smell will come here. Based on the smell, the agent will identify there is a womb here. Is it okay? Now, first point is okay. The squares adjacent to wompus are smelly. Is it okay? Everyone, please note. Everyone, please note that the first. We are going to have 5 points. The first point is smelly. Okay, here I have given it. Here, stench. Then that itself we are calling it as stench. Stench or smelly, what are it? Both are same. Is it okay? The first out of 5 observation, the first observation is stench. We can also call it as smelly. Is it okay? Now, shall we go to second observation? Now, squares adjacent to pit are breezy. Nothing but we will get a light wind. Okay. Now, how to identify pit? If I have pit here, here there will be a breeze. Here there will be a breeze. Here there will be a breeze. Now, by observing this breeze, agent will identify that there is a pit here. Is it okay? There is a pit, so all these 4 corners has a breeze. I have pit here, so this corner and this corner has a breeze. I have a pit here. I have these 2 corners as breeze. Is it okay? That means the agent is giving. The agent is giving information. Okay, the agent is getting some information from the environment. Now, is it okay? Second point. Clear?
Yes,
Please
sir.
note that the second is breeze.
Yes, sir.
Breeze. Please note that in your book. Otherwise, we will get in confused. Third one is glitter. Third, it is G. G stands for glitter. If you get, if there is a gold, okay. If there is a gold, you will have glitter. Okay. There will be a shining will come up. Okay. Based on the shining, we can identify that there will be a gold. We will see slowly. Okay. Is it shining? If there is a gold, if you observe this diagram, there they have represented it. Gold. Wherever there is a gold, there is a shiny. Okay. That means yes. Okay. Understood? Now, third one is completed. Now, fourth one is shooting uses 1 arrow. Whereas if you want to shoot that wampus, okay? Okay. If you want to shoot that wampus, you have only 1 arrow. Is it okay? Now, finally, grabbing picks up the gold if the agent is in the same square. Now, remember carefully, if I want to grab the gold, I have only, if I have to enter into this square, then only I can get the gold. Otherwise, I cannot. Clear? If I want to grab this gold, I have to enter into this square. Outside of this square, I cannot grab the gold. Here I cannot grab. Here I cannot grab. Here I cannot grab. Okay, if I want to grab the gold, I have to enter into this area, or I have to enter into this rib. Then only I can get it. Okay. Now look at this as, please note down. The first one is stench. It is nothing but, please note down these points. Stench is nothing but, I have written a note point in my notebook. Stench is nothing but unpleasant smell. Second one is nothing but breeze. It is nothing but pleasant wind. Okay. Wherever there is a pit, we have a breeze. Third one is glitter, shining, reflected light. Okay. Wherever there is a gold, third one is glitter. Fourth one is bump. Bump is nothing but if agent touches to these walls, okay, he is going to get a bump. Okay. A light blow. Okay. Or a simple jolt to his maybe to his head or anyway. Okay. Agent will get a little bit bump if he touches these walls. Okay. Then last one is scream. Scream nothing but wampus will if you enter into this area, wampus will cry. Okay. Are you getting me? Wampus will it's cry. It's nothing but is called a scream. Okay. Now you have to use these 5 actions. Clear? Now is it okay till now? Till now we have discussed about what is performance and what is environment. And remember carefully, the entry point into this cave is 1, 1 here. Okay, this is the entry point, and the same thing is exit point. Clear? Now, what are my sensors? I can stench, I can breeze, I can glitter, I can bump, and I can scream. I already told you. Okay, are you getting me? Every agent has sensors. Now, what are my actuators? How I can move? I can move down left. If I hear down left, turn right, turn up, turn down. Look at here. What are the actions I'm going to turn left, turn right, forward. And if you are in the gold room, you can grab the room. And if you are above before the if you are before the wampus, you can shoot it and you can climb. Are you getting me? These are the actuators. I'll give you 1 minute time. Make it in a rough way. Okay, then we will start that. You need to have this basic knowledge. Clear? No need to take this. You please take this sensors and actuators. Okay, we have already taken the table. I have already shared. If you are not note down, you please in your WhatsApp group artificial intelligence, you have the diagram. Okay, please observe it carefully. Shall I continue? If you get this problem definition, and we have to prepare this piece. Okay, okay, that means we have understood about the environment. Then we can start. Shall I go? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Peace environment is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please look at here. Whenever we start at 1, 1, please observe the diagram carefully. Okay, no need to look at this. Everyone has a diagram with you?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I already yesterday has sent you in the WhatsApp. Okay, I think each and every slide, it is not possible for me to keep the diagram. Okay, so in your page in your book, you please keep the diagram. Okay, so it will be very easy for us to discuss. Now, I already told you that we have to start at 1, 1. Will you agree? Everyone will agree for me? We have to start at 1, 1. Is it okay?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will be all or none. Okay, I don't know. I didn't get any stench. I didn't get breach. I didn't get glitter. I didn't get bump. I didn't get scream. So each and everyone is none. Will you agree? The first step is none. Okay, from which the agent can conclude that its neighboring squares are safe. Okay, here if you look at here, please let me erase it. Now, if I am here, is it a safe place? Is it a safe place? Will you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I need response from you. If I am at 1, 1, if I am at 1, 1, I'm not getting any pit and I'm not getting wampus. That means I'm safe. So yeah, so the agents conclude that the neighboring squares are safe. So agent's state of knowledge at this point. Now we list that some sentences in the knowledge base by using some sentences. Either by, if you get a breeze, you are going to make it as B, or you can also place it as OK. OK means you are safe. Here, if you observe it carefully, we have already kept that. Here it is a breeze. We know that before whenever you are going to get a pit, okay, in all these 4 areas, you are going to get a breeze. So you simply make it as breeze. Okay. Here you are going to get a wampus. So you are going to make it as stench. Yes. Are you getting me? Still you will not get this stench. So still we are here. Okay. Please get me from the fact that there was no stench on 1, 1. So the agent can infer, he can go to 1, 2 and 2, 1. Will you look at here for 1 minute? Now I can get into here and I can get into here without having any worry. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Could you please Is it okay for everyone? Now, what we have done it is we have entered here. So we have named it as agent A, and here we don't have anything. Okay, here there is a pit, and here there is a Wumpus. Okay, here we'll get stench. Here we'll get breeze. Here we'll get breeze. Here we'll get breeze. Okay. So shall I make it as breeze here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
it is a safe place, so we have made it as okay. It is also a safe place. That means the agent may not buy if I select either 2-1 or 1-2. Okay. Look at
Yes,
here.
sir.
The agent can infer 1-2 and 2-1 are free of dangers. Okay. Please listen carefully. Please think that we are in the deterministic and we are in the partially observable phase. Okay. You know only partial object. You know only that room only. You don't know other rooms. But you, by having smell or by having breeze or by having glitter, you can observe what is happening in the environment. Understood? Clear? You know only that room. 1-1 only we know. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So we marked as okay wherever there are safe places. 1-1 and 1-2 and 2-1 we marked as okay. Okay. Here up to here, any doubts till now?
No, sir.
Please. Yeah.
No, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Could you please come out here? For example, we feel that this place is okay and this place is okay. For example, if agent chooses this place, okay. For example, if agent chooses this phase, so could you please tell me what was the 5 tuple? 5 tuple. What are the 5 tuple? First one is stench. Is he getting any stench? No. Will you agree?
No, no, sir.
But
No.
he is getting breeze now.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so the five values of the tuple consisting of breeze remaining are none. Okay. Now after one move, the perception is the perception. Perception are nothing but inputs from the environment. What the agent is getting is he is getting breeze. Clear? Now by observing this breeze, he has to think that please come over here. By observing this breeze, he has to think that there is a pit. If he goes here, he will be die. Will he go in this way? Hello?
No, sir, we don't know whether the pit is in 2-2 or 3-1.
Now, please, I did not enter it here. Okay, please, I am discussing about here. Please listen here only. Okay, if I enter it here, you can ask questions. I am in 2-1. I am getting breeze here. From this side, I am getting breeze. Okay. Understand my point? Agent is here. So he is getting breeze from here. In this way, he is getting breeze. So whenever he is getting breeze, he has to think that there is a pit. Are you getting me? I'm not, I did not I did not get inputs from here. Okay. I'm discussing about here only. Okay. Are you getting me? I'm perceiving only in this way. I have not discussed. I will enter here in the next slide. Okay. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay till now?
Yes, sir.
Now, please tell me. Now, that means I cannot go in this way. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, at present, please, at present, agent has only 3 possibilities. One is, this is the more possible and it is also safer place, and he can think that this area he has not yet thought it. Okay, so he said that now, yes, this if I go in this way, I will be die. Now, he will try in this way. Okay. Are you getting me? He already know that if I go in this way, there will be no problem. Here we have understood that 1-2 is also no issue. Sorry, where we are? Sorry, we are here. Sorry, please give me 1 minute. 2-1 is a free area and 1-2 is also a danger-free area. Now, shall we enter into this area where we are? Yes. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Let me erase it. Let me erase totally. We are in the confusion state. Now I can answer your questions clearly. Now, we thought that. Now I wanted to answer his question. We are entered here and we already observed that it is a safe place, and it is a safe place where we have kept it okay and okay. And this room is getting breeze. Whenever the agent is getting breeze here, then the agent has to think that there is a pit, so he cannot enter here. Is it okay? Are you getting me? Now, as per the other student, he asked that it is a place. This we will process it within a minute. Okay. And first we will observe that first we have to think that non-danger places. 2-1 is a non-danger place and 1-2 is also non-danger place. Okay. So slowly we will move to the new percept is 1-2. Now, if the new percept is 1-2, look at here. Once he enter into the 1-2, he is getting what he is getting here. If he enter into 1-2, he is getting stench. What is the meaning of stench here? Hello?
Smell.
Yes, we from here we came back and we went to 1-2. Okay, and he is getting a smell. The agent is getting a smell, so he has to think that there is a wampus, so he cannot go to 1-3. Is it okay? Now, what is the perception now? What? Sorry, please give me 1 minute. What is the perception now? If he is in the 1-2, could you please tell me what is the perception?
Stench. None.
Yes, yes. That means stench means he is getting smell. So will he go to 1-3? If he goes to 1-3, he will be in the danger. He will be eaten by the wampus. Now the stench in 1-2 means there must be wampus nearby. Okay. Now show, please let me erase it. He cannot go to here and he cannot go here. Now ultimately there is only one choice for us. Okay. I can go to 2-2 either in this way, or I can go back from here in this way, or I can go in this way. Okay. Now earlier he asked the question, sir, how to identify this? Okay. Now could you please come over here, please? It is a 2-2. Are you getting me? Where we are? Yes. But wampus cannot be in 1-1 based on the rules. Based on the rules, it cannot be in 2-2. Okay. Wampus is here. Wampus is in 1-3. It is not in 2-2. Okay. So 2-2 is a safer place. We observed that stench is not coming from here. Stench is coming from here. So it is not getting any breeze and it is not getting any stench, anything. So it will be a safer place. So according to his terminology, so there must be a pit in 2-2 or 3-1. Still we don't know. Still we are not getting any stench, any breeze from 2-2. Okay. We have to think. The notion of P indicates there is a possible pit in the squares. If you go to 3-1, please give me 1 minute. We observed that 3-1 there is a pit. Okay, now there are only two possibilities for me. Okay, this I have seen, this I have seen, and this I have seen. Okay, now I cannot go in this way. So there is no possibility to get here. If I go in this way, there will be a pit. I can lose my life. Okay. If I go in this way, I will lose my life because there is a wampus. Okay. Now I have only one possibility here. There is only one possibility is 2-2. Okay. Now anyone will contradict for my statements? Yeah. Anyone can contradict my statements? Anyone can contradict my statements? Could you please? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any questions from here? Now we know that 2-2 is a safer place, and we already observed that in 1-3 we have a wampus. Okay. Now notation W indicates that a lack of breeze in 1, 2. There, look at here. Do I have breeze in 1, 2? Do I have breeze in 1, 2?
No, sir.
If I have a breeze here, there will be a pit here. Okay. Now I don't have breeze here. Okay. I have strange. I have strange. So I am not moving to 1, 3. Now 1, 2 from 2, 2. I am not getting breeze. So there is no pit. And anyone can observe. Is there any breeze here? Are we getting any breeze from 1, 2? So there is no pit here. There is no pit and there is no wampus and there is no gold also. Now, can I consider it as, please, can I consider the 2, 2 as a safer place? Moreover, there is no breeze in 1, 2, so that there is no pit in 2, 2. So because there is no breeze in 1, 2, I can consider 2, 2 as there is no pit. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there are only two possibilities. I can go to 3, 1. If I go 3, 1, there is a pit. Okay. Are you getting me? If I go 3, 1, there is a pit. I cannot go. Now there is only one possibility for me is 2, 2. Yes. There is only one possibility is either 2, 2 or 3, 1. 3, 1 I will not go because there is a pit. So the better safe place is 2, 2. Okay. Now what we can observe from 2, 2. Please go to the original diagram. Let me erase it. Now I am here. Now are you getting me? Now there is a breeze here. There is a breeze here. Okay. So I cannot go here. Now there is a strange here. I cannot go in here. And the only safer place I am at 2, 2. Now, can I go in this way? Hello?
We can go to, sir.
We can go to, could you please tell me?
Means we don't know what is in 2, 3.
2, 3. We don't know what is this. Now there is a chance. Now let me go to. There is a chance of, please. Now there are two choices. There is either I can go to 2, 2 or I can go to 2, 3. Now the agent now proved that it is neither pit nor wampus in 2, 2. Okay. Now there is a okay for 2, 2. Now if I enter into 2, 2. Okay. Now we show that agent state of the world is 2, 2 right now. Okay. We just assume that agent turns and moves to 2, 3. For example, if he goes to 2, 3, what happens? And the basic rule is he can go to 90 degrees angle. Always he can go 90 degrees angle. Okay. From 2, 2, please. Is it now? If I go in this way, can I get 90 degrees angle? The agent is gone from here to here, or agent is gone from here to 2, 2. Now, what will be 90 degrees angle? Is it 90 degrees angle or is it 90 degrees angle? Hello? Hello? In the environment, they have given that the agent can go only 90 degrees angle. I am at 2, 2.
You didn't mention that point, sir, at all.
Yes. Wait. I will show you it in the test book. It is there in the test book. I have forgotten. Maybe in the while writing PPT, I have forgotten it. I'll open that slide and I'll test book. I'll show you. And earlier I have not mentioned. Now I have mentioned na. Now I'll show you. Just give me a minute. Chapter 7. Yes. Observe here. The agent can move forward, turn left 90 degrees and turn right 90 degrees. Okay. He can
Screen
go.
is not shared, sir.
Huh?
Screen not shared.
Sorry, wait. Sorry. Yes, I'm sharing. Now I'm sharing. Stop sharing. Yes. Now observe it. This is from your textbook. The agent can move forward, left 90 degrees and turn right 90 degrees. Okay. He can go only 90 degrees. Okay. I have not copied this point. Okay. Sorry. Into the PPT. Okay. Clear? Will you agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So now could you please now let me
There's a point also we can move forward. It's not compulsory that we have to
we can move forward. Now that means can I go to 2 3? There is a possibility that now let me share the screen. Okay, please stop sharing. Stop sharing. Yes. Share. Yeah, is it visible? Yes, it is coming slowly, maybe because of internets. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. A little bit net slowly. Give me 1 minute. It is coming. Is it visible for you?
No, sir.
Just give me a minute. I don't know. It is not responding. Net is not responding. Give me a minute. Let me close. Let me close this PPT once. Don't save. Just a small net problem. Yesterday we have given complaint to IDEA. Give me 1 minute time. It is not responding. I'm closing. Please, if I close, I will lose my class. I'm connected to internet, my internet. Yes, I have connected to internet. Share an application window. Yeah, just it is not responding. Shall I close it and come back? You please join once again.
Yes, sir.
Sampath,
Hello.
start your class.
Excuse me, sir, you're on mute.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Let me increase it. Yes. I can go to either 3 2 or I can go to, there are 2 possible chances from here. Okay. I can go to here. This is also safer place, and I can go here. Okay. There are 2 possibilities. If I go here, I can get the gold. Okay. Because here we are getting why we have to go in this way. Let me answer. Okay. From here, I'm getting glitter. If you observe this diagram, now this window, the gold is giving. If I go here, okay, I have glitter here. Okay, sorry, there is a gold means glitter, shiny reflected light. Okay, now I can go in 2 ways. Either I can go here or I can go here. If an agent go here, he will get a gold. If an agent, as per his request, he can also go here. Okay, even though he go here and he observe a breeze, and if he observe a breeze, he cannot go in this way and he cannot go in this way. From here he can go in this way. Here still he is getting breeze and he is getting breeze. So at any cost he has to go in this way. At come he has to go back. Then only unvisited node is unvisited room here. If he visit here, he can get a gold. Okay, he can get 1000 points. Yes, as per his session, he can go for 2 areas. Okay, either he can go to 2-2 or 2-3. Either he can go to 2-2 or he can go to 2-3. If he goes to 2-2, okay, if he goes to 2-3, he will get a gold. If he can also go to 2-3. Okay, 3-2. Okay, there is a possibility of chance he can go in this way or he can go in this way. Even though he can go in this way, he has to get back and he has to keep it as V. Wherever he is visited, he has to keep as V. Okay, now only unvisited place is 2-3. If the agent goes here, he is going to get a gold and he will get 1000 points. That means by having because we don't know the rooms, it is undeterministic and no observable, so he has to go each and every place. Wherever he is going to visit, he is going to place as V. That's it. Okay, wherever there are safe places, he has to keep it as okay. Now we will not show the agent state of knowledge is 2-2. Then we just assume that agent turns and moves to 2-3. In 2-3, agent detects a getter, so he can grab the gold and there the end the game. If he cannot enter into 2-3, he can enter into in this way 3-2. Okay, yes, he will go to 3-2 and he is not getting anything, but he is getting breeze, so he cannot go in this way, he cannot go in this way. He can go here and still he is getting breeze from here. He get back here and he will go here. Ultimately he is going to get a grab. Okay, this is a simple game which will discuss about knowledge base. Now I have to discuss what knowledge the agent has acquired. Okay, that I am going to discuss in the next coming classes. Now I have not given the whatever the agent get the knowledge. Okay, whenever the agent turns to the game to the next time, he is going to use that knowledge base along with the, now for example, second time if he gets, that means along with the perceptions, he is also use the knowledge base. Now he will not get into these areas directly. He can, by using that knowledge base, what we are going to use, that will be the next class discussion. Okay, today I have given the basic knowledge of what is WOMS. Okay, for getting the knowledge base, we should discuss about what is knowledge and what is the representation of knowledge using preposition logic. If I apply preposition logic for the knowledge base, I can get my actions. Okay, that will be the next class discussion. Okay, any doubts till now? Till now today we have given what is WOMS world, a game, what is the game, and whatever the knowledge we have acquired, that we are going to input for the next agent. Okay, in the next coming example we are going to continue it. Okay, now did you get it, what is WOMS world? Now if I want to apply this knowledge base, I should get the knowledge of preposition logic. Our next topic is preposition logic, and after that we are going to apply the preposition logic in this knowledge base, in this WOMS world example. Any doubts?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Maybe tomorrow we don't have any class, and maybe next week we will continue what is logic, what is preposition logic. Once after getting some knowledge of preposition logic, we will apply that preposition logic on the knowledge base. Okay, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Now let me take attendance.